Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to August Empties. So, as you can see, you have these products laid out in front of you. I'm going to take you through them category wise. Let's start with hair care. So, the first is this duo from Brillare. Now, Brillare is a great brand. It has amazing hair care products. However, everyone's hair type is different because this shampoo and conditioner duo worked extremely well for me. And usually dandruff shampoos are ones which basically strip off all your moisture and they make your hair frizzy and all of that. But with me, this is not what happened. This shampoo and conditioner was really nice and creamy. They made my hair soft. They did not leave it frizzy or anything like that or dry. Okay, so I really enjoyed them. But my friends used it and somehow it did not work for them. So every scalp and hair type is different. So guys, whenever you buy something, be sure to test it out first. Okay, so that was my experience with this shampoo and conditioner. I really loved it and I will definitely try it again. Then we come to this Dove conditioner. Now, this is a conditioner and shampoo duo which I have been trying since forever. It's been about 2 3 years now since they came up with this regenerative repair range, and this has worked so well for me. It leaves my hair so soft to the touch, and I have loved it. I have been using it for a while, so you can see this is probably like my fourth or fifth one. So, yeah, you can see how much I love this. Then we have these two conditioners from Requel. I had tried the mini conditioners because I wanted to test them out. So the first one is the Murmuru damage repair one. If you can see, one second. Yeah, there you go. And the second one is the anti-frizz and smoothing conditioner. Both of them I really enjoyed because they left my hair so soft and so smooth. So I'm definitely going to try bigger versions of these. So if you're looking for a good conditioner, then you can definitely try these. Then we come to the cleansing cream from Face Shop. This is a rice water bright cleansing cream. This is a huge tub. It took me like a year to finish it up, but it was really good. It used to remove all my makeup so well, even my waterproof mascara and everything. So I loved it. I really loved it. Plus, it was a cream. It was nice and gentle, and I would like massage it into my skin, and it worked really well for me. Next is, I'm so sorry about this because my dogs did this to it, but basically it was the clay cleanser from Skincare Villa shop, and this was so good. I loved every bit of it, and it was so finely milled. It has a nice clay texture, so it's great for people who have oily skin. And if you have oily skin, you like powder cleansers, then you should definitely give this one a try because it's super affordable and it is so good. Next, you have this toner from Requel. This is the Pore Refining Face Toner. I loved this toner. This is for oily and acne prone skin. It is alcohol free and it has 9 botanical extracts which are so good for people with oily skin type like mine. And this, whenever I used to use it, my skin would feel so nice and refreshed, and as if it's just woken up, and just perfect. It would provide the perfect level of hydration and even not strip my skin of all the moisture. So it did a great job. This was a great toner. It's super affordable, and if that is what you're looking for, then you should definitely try this. Next, we have the Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum. Now, this is a cult favorite, guys. Okay, and people all over thoroughly enjoy it. So, I mean, I'm not gonna say anything different. I loved it too. Okay, it did such a great job with my skin, especially if you have textured skin, you have oily skin, and all of that. This will work so beautifully on your skin. It'll help you all with all the texture, and it'll make your skin nice and smooth. So this is perfect. Then we had these two Innisfree green tea seed serum and lotion. I used to use these when I was traveling because they're like so super convenient, and I would just keep this trio with the cleanser as well. The cleanser I still not got over with because I think I did not use it that much. But yeah, these I definitely finished up, and their green tea seed range is so amazing, guys, and I'm sure most of you who have tried it will agree with me. Then we have the supplement from Cosmix, which was strong immunity. I finished up this powder. This is so good. And especially in COVID times, this is something I think everyone should be having. So, guys, if you haven't tried Cosmix yet, definitely go and check them out. I will obviously link them in my description box below. I also finished this or used this face mask from Nykaa Skin Secrets. This is the tea tree and aloe vera version, which my sister had gifted me. So, yeah, this was nice. In the end, I have two perfumes. The first is this one. This is Urban Studio West Urban Muse. I got it from Westside a couple of years back, and I finally managed to finish this. This was like my everyday kind of perfume, which I used to use. And then we have this Calvin Klein's Euphoria. Now, Calvin Klein's Euphoria is such a cult favorite, and people really love this. So this was a beautiful fragrance, and it took me a long time. I think I had it for 5 years or something. So yeah, this was beautiful as well. So those were my August empties, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because when you do that, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because I'm super duper active there. And for most of these products, you can get, detailed reviews, because I have posted them on Instagram. Thank you yet again.